Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Goddamn me. Homemade mostaccioli. Tender, well seasoned beef stew meat. Homemade cornbread, goddamn me. Once again, I ate this I think a couple of weeks ago. But I just don't continue to cook, goddamn me, what I love to eat. I don't give a hell who don't like it. Yummy, 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 yummy. Yummy, 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 yummy. Goddamn me. Yummy, 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 yummy. It's about to go down up in here. Back home with some real food. Got tired of eating all that damn pizza, papadilla, goddamn me, wings and stuff. I'm back home with some real food, goddamn me. Oh yeah. Y'all already know what time it is. Y'all already know what time it is. God damn. God damn. And right here on the side, that's A1 sauce right here. Let me move this cornbread real quick. Right there, that's A1 sauce right there. For my tender, well seasoned beef stew meat right there. Man, that shit is well seasoned. The Parmesan cheese set this homemade mostaccioli out just right. Let me go ahead and over here and see what this cornbread hitting on real quick. Homemade right there, boy. Made from straight cornmeal, scratch. Can't beat that. Not no store-bought cornbread, homemade right here. That cornbread is so good, boy. I need me another piece of that one right there. Yummy, 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 yummy.